Hey, it's Rick Quattro here. Let's talk about pagination today in FrameMaker. Pagination questions come up fairly often on the FrameMaker forum. Things like my documents have blank pages in them. I can't figure out how to make my documents start on the next available side. Sometimes I want to start on the left page, sometimes on the right page, and various things like that. So we'll start out by just looking at a single FrameMaker document. And this is just a one-page document. Now let's look at some of these settings here. If we go to Format, Page Layout, Pagination, this is where most of our pertinent settings are. And you can see that you can set a document to be single-sided, double-sided. And usually these problems come up with double-sided documents. And then you can determine the page side. You can start on the left page or you can start on a right page. And I've got this document marked so you can see what kind of pages we're displaying here. Let me go back there. And then typically you can decide what you want to do here. You can say delete empty pages, make page count even, make page count odd, don't change page count. And so let's just put that back to right page. And then the one thing that you should know about FrameMaker if you're new is that the way you add pages is just by adding content. So I'm going to select some content here and I'm going to paste again. And you can see that automatically adds pages to the FrameMaker document. So you don't have to explicitly add pages. Now, if we look at our settings again, let's look at this. Let's go to Pagination, Format, Page Layout, Pagination. And then we have some of these settings here. So if we save this document, it's going to have 3 pages because that's how much content we have. So let's just try that. So we're just going to go ahead and save it. And you can see pages 2 of 3, 3 of 3. Now a lot of times when you have a double-sided document, you're going to want to have the page count be even. So let's go there and do that. Page Layout, Pagination, make page count even. So now when I click that, it automatically adds a page at the end, even though that page is blank and has no content. And that's sometimes what we want to do, especially if we think in terms of something printed. You may want the all pages to have content on it. In this case, this would be 2 sheets of paper, and the last page would be blank, but it would have this this header on here. So a lot of times that's why you want to make page count even.